Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel I Love Pharmacology. In today's session, you're going to learn about the importance of pharmacovigilance. So why we need to know about pharmacovigilance and what do you know already about pharmacovigilance. So coming to the learning objectives of pharmacovigilance, at the end of the session you should be able to define the pharmacovigilance and also you should be able to tell what is the ultimate goal of pharmacovigilance. So the World Health Organization has defined the pharmacovigilance as the science and activities concerned with the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse reactions to medicines or drugs with both short and long-term adverse effects. So here the four key words which defines the pharmacovigilance is detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse reactions. So the ultimate goal of pharmacovigilance is to improve the safety of the patient, to improve the rational care, to improve the rational use of medications, thereby ultimately overall it will improve the patient safety or patient care and also the public health. Since most of the ADRs are preventable in nature. So by monitoring the adverse drug reaction carefully, you will be able to prevent the majority of the adverse drug reactions. So what plays a vital role in preventing adverse drug reactions? So while monitoring, you need to report the adverse drug reaction which is occurring with respect to the particular drug. So all the suspected adverse drug reactions should be reported using suspected adverse drug reaction reporting form. Thereby, the agency will detect the signals from where these adverse drug reactions are occurring for which particular drug. So thereby, they globally collect the data and they will decide whether this drug has to be continued or this drug requires any black box warning or it has to be banned if it is causing a major harmful effects to the population. So coming to the summary, so vigilance means monitoring or supervision. So your pharmacovigilance means you are monitoring the adverse drug reactions. The four key steps which are involved or four-step process of pharmacovigilance is DAUP, that is detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse drug reactions. So remember, if early care is taken, most of the adverse drug reactions are preventable in nature. So ultimately the pharmacovigilance will help in improving the patient safety as well as it also improves the rational prescription as well as rational utilization of the drugs. So if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel I Love Pharmacology and do not forget to share and hit the like button and bell icon for more updates on pharmacology. So stay tuned till the next video. Bye.